As y'all can see, we're loading the grill again. And chicken. I see that. There's some chicken and ribs up here. We're gonna load it up. It's my birthday today, y'all. So we loading the grill up with some chicken and ribs for my birthday. The birthday girl. Put that slab of ribs. You got to go in the house and get the other ribs. Looking good. Got some more ribs up here. You got to add neck bones. So we're going to have ribs, chicken, and neck bones. That's ribs right there wrapped up too. That's the neck bones. We're gonna have this lock and load it. It's nice and hot. Grill that use the pellets. So this is what we have up here: ribs, neck bones, chicken. We're gonna add some hot dogs and the hot dogs up here. This grill is mighty hot. Y'all on celebrating another birthday today. Food looking good, y'all. Can't wait till it get done. Gonna look now. Start turning it over.
That's just I'm cooking it slow.
chicken up here. We're gonna put the ribs back up there. Took it out of the room. Now look, we turn them over. It's looking good. Turn this rib over. Yes. I got a piece of rib that I'm about to taste. It tastes real good. Tastes good. Ooh, hot. Taste this piece. Tastes real good.
You got another piece out here?
It tastes good. Yeah. Tastes real good. You put some Sweet Baby Ray's on it. Y'all, the ribs is off the chain. I had to go taste the chicken and stuff. And that one. Tastes so delicious. About to do another taste test, y'all. Tastes so good. Tastes real good. If y'all like my video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe for your birthday, girl. Thanks for watching. Bye.